Hello everybody, this is Oscar Esparza, and today I got this package. It's the UAG Dopp kit, I think the midnight black version of it. But I'm looking kind of forward to that because usually I carry a bunch of stuff between, work, when I go visit my girlfriend, my friends, my family, and it's gets kind of hard, carry all my stuff. I do carry a little, like one of those bags, but I wanted to give this a shot, But yeah, I mean, it's like $20. There's no price in here, but no worries. Let me get rid of this. So we got some good packaging. Boom, that's it. So let's see. Let me open this up. Some tape. Slide this out. Boom. UAG pack series. Slides out. Oh, dude, look at this. Nice. This is like when you get like those gym bags. This is like the bottom of it, so you can set it anywhere without the cloth wearing out. Nice plastic. Here's your little UAG. I don't know if you can see with the camera. It's like a camo finish, so black camo, which I kind of like. Like a little, it's like a little strap right here. So you want to hold it from there, from here. But yeah, I mean, I'm not disappointed, I guess. I mean, it looks sweet. It's just small. I mean, well, actually, never mind. Like this, it looks small, right? Like this. But then when I open it up like this, all the way to the bottom, it has some big surface area. So let's just see what it. So inside is pretty simple, right? It's just I mean, it's a Dopp kit. You usually most people throw like toothbrushes, deodorants, and stuff like that. I know I have one of these Timberland ones that I use for my cleaning and shit. But it has a little zipper in here, which is cool. I'm sure we can throw something in there that you might not want to scratch. But let's just see if it takes all my stuff that I usually carry in my backpack or my little bag. So right up my first bat, carry hand sanitizer, hotspot. So let's see if this fits first. So hotspot, piece of cake. Oh, a piece of cake. Hand sanitizer, piece of cake. All right. Let's see what else we got in here. So I do carry a battery pack. It's the Samsung one. Wireless charging. It is kind of like a aluminum. So I just keep it in a little anchor sleeve, just to keep it from getting scratched. Throw that in there. Work phone. Throw that in there. Mask, because COVID. Throw that in there. See what else I got. And then my Bluetooth headphones. Throw that in there, and check this out. So I do also carry my phone in here, so that I'm using to record right now. But yeah, everything fits in there pretty good. I mean, here's my phone. I mean, it's gonna close pretty quick. I usually don't throw my keys in here just because, I mean, they're metal, so I don't want to like scratch stuff up. But if I were to throw it in there, that would pretty much fit. So I'm sure I can fit a lot more in there if I actually try to like be organized about it. But yeah, I mean, $20. I think it's $20. If it's $20, I think I recommend it. I definitely recommend it for $20. If it's super nice, premium, sweet design. If it's $30, I mean, I'll put the link in the description. But if it's $30, you can find other ones. But $20, it's a must-have. Anyways, that's it. Like and subscribe. And oh shoot, I guess I should show this. It's in California, designed in California, so from California, so gotta be represent, right? Water resistant, interior, exterior, zippered inner component, dual carrying strap options. Yep, like I said, reinforced. I'm pretty sure I covered all that stuff. Cool. Like and subscribe when you're warranty. Later.